James Simon one every time he joined. Fucking, he throw his wood organisation, right?
Touch the ground. Why did I get that fast so quick?
You tucked your legs too.
Hey?
You tucked your legs too.
Yeah.
I reckon up the top's going to be a bit busy. Oh, look at the size of that spider. Crikey. Ow. I thought that people that come here regularly would have just gradually moved them off to the sides. Yeah, no, I didn't quite take it. Dinosaur! So we're not far from the top. I think this is where we were yesterday.
Yeah, I think it's around there.
Just up there.
Yeah.
We could start at the top and work our way down into this part here.
Well, I definitely think we're going to need to work our way down slowly because my feet are ready to go.
Yeah.
This pathway is ridiculous.
Yeah.
You like trip, you go.
I was running down this the other day and it was pretty fucking freaky, honestly. Ooh. Fucking sharp rocks. You'd think that.
I saw this one yesterday when I was coming to meet you. And I'm like, has he gone this far? Jen was really off.
Yeah, I was surprised Jen was so willing. It's like people jump off here, but it's way too shallow. Fuck, I almost just involuntarily jumped then. I almost just leaned that way. Yeah. I usually come up and over this, but yeah. Made it to the top. How are the feet, Brandon?
Hey?
How are your feet?
Oh, fucking great, man.
Yeah, so you met us just on the other side of that tree, eh?
Yeah.
Oh. Bit slippery, this one. Yeah. Go this way. We made it to the top. To the top. To this beautiful spot. There's a couple people here, but not too bad. Nice little bar moves into a waterfall.
Not bad.
Yeah. Oh, look at him, little Gabby. Little Gabby. Oh, I don't see a good go for my feet. I think they're
You just pull whichever one you want to tighten or loosen.
a small bit anyway. You on diving?
Take too long. Alright, that's looking better.
That way, just put straight into the water.
Lock it in.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes nothing. That was my feet. That was my feet. And it, you know when you do like that? That just went right up my nose.
Water's dirty as shit.
Yeah, it's pretty filthy here. right from far back. Trying to gracefully swim away.
Hey?
Trying to gracefully swim away. You splash it away.
Oh shit, I thought I lost them for a second.
Look at that. That hurt. Got done by some weight a while.
Yeah, that one right there. I hope that.
Yeah, it pulls like it's curved away from you.
Yeah, so it just wrenches you. Yanks your skin. I like to get some pieces out and tuck in those holes now.
Oh, motherfucker. Look at that big tree.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Goes for ages.
That's its roots up there.
Yeah, it goes for
That's
ages.
where it goes into the ground. So it fell down to right there.
Oh, fuck yeah. Lost
Yeah,
me
so
bounce.
wait a while. Why's it called wait a while again?
Because when you're running through it and you got clothes on and it rips into your clothes, you got to wait there for a while
To get it all
to
out.
get it all out of you.
Yeah.
Just because they point backwards. Easiest way is to just walk backwards and hope for the best. Pretty track though. It's a pretty track.
Yeah. Super slippery to get down this part.
Yeah.
I think it's came from a different platform then. You can only get it on when you get spots up there.
Yeah, there's one at the very end. Really nice.
How far?
Oh, maybe another 5-10 minutes.
That's cool.
Yeah.
You good for that? Yes.
It gets very
Okay.
pretty beyond there.
Alright, wicked. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Rock, have fun. The higher blood sugar restricts blood flow into it. That's why diabetics can get their feet amputated and their toes and shit.
Yeah, right.
Because you lose too much blood flow. And you don't feel when you get sore.
Yep.
When you get infected and you don't know.
That makes sense.
So they get worse and worse and you don't even know that you have a sore in your butt.
There's so many things that you just like. People look at
And my feet are dying and again.
And it gets worse before it gets better.
It doesn't get better until we're in the car.
That's that little spot.
Yeah.
I'm honestly ready to go there.
Yep.
I don't know how much more my feet can take.